Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is called, I'm going to be poaching my beautiful fish that I've poured some tomato vinaigrette that I've had on it, and to make it complete, and it's going to be so delicious once it's cooked. And when I want to poach it, I want to poach it until it's very flaky, where you could just take the fork and just, it should be almost like butter. So it's not one of those dishes that you glisten it, where those chefs, that what they do is they make fish that's almost, you know, raw on the inside. But no, this is not that. This is going to be a French way of making fish, and the technique is called papillote. Papillote. I might be saying it right, but it's close enough. Starts with a P. So what you do is you basically, let's see if I can start it and make sure, and you basically just get the paper and make sure that it's loose, and then you just kind of, I know this is not the way I learned in my culinary class, but it's good enough. As long as you do it, and it's folding, but I'm not folding it, I'm crimping it. Okay? And that's what you really want to do. Basically, that's it. Want to seal it up, make sure that it's not going to seep. The steam is not going to seep out. And that's it. And then you just stick it in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll show you how. I'm going to stick it in the oven. So I have a toaster oven, and I had to put it over here because my plugs weren't working, but I have plugs on this side that do. So I have it on bake, and it's got that little tiny fan, which is nice. And I have it on about 400. About 400. So open that up, and then probably stick it on the bottom, because I want the bottom to really get cooked. Let's take this out. Okay. And then you just close it. And then say a little prayer over it. Put some positive vibes in it. And then it should cook. So cook it about a half hour. So it's preheated. Make sure that your oven is in a safe place. You don't want to start a fire. And I always unplug, your appliances. So unplug your appliances. I think it's safe when you do that. So we're gonna let that cook, and we're gonna let that poach and steam for a while, and let it do its magic. Okay? I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, thanks.